Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt not connecting to Wi-Fi setup 2.4 GHz and offline fix. To fix a Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt that won't connect, restart the lock by removing the batteries for 10 seconds. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi password has no spaces, is under 24 characters, and doesn't contain unsupported special characters. Finally, move your router closer during setup. Use these proven troubleshooting methods to resolve your Wi-Fi issues. Fix 1. Power cycle the lock. Remove the battery cover on the inside of your door. Unplug the battery pack and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Then plug it back in. Now wait for the lock to power up completely, then try reconnecting via the app. Fix 2. Verify your Wi-Fi router settings. The lock only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so ensure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz band during pairing, and your Wi-Fi password must be 24 characters or less. The lock does not recognize certain special characters, and if your password uses these, you may need to temporarily change your Wi-Fi password. If your router is highly secure, community consensus on Reddit suggests that port 1883 and 8883 must be open for the lock to reach the Slate cloud. Fix 3. Check signal strength and proximity. During the initial pairing process, try bringing your Wi-Fi router closer to the door or moving the lock near the router to eliminate distance/wall interference. If your lock struggles to stay connected after installation, you may need to install a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh network node near the front door to improve signal strength. Fix 4. Perform a factory reset. Disconnect the battery pack, then press and hold the black circular reset button located next to the inside thumb turn, and keep holding the reset button while you reconnect the batteries. Then hold the button until the LED flashes red and then release it. Once the light turns blue, the reset is complete and you can re-add the lock using the app. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.